So first, let me just create a backend, and maybe go to that backend really quickly and npm init, which have many useful functions to create applications and port forwarding and everything. So let me just use it to install Express.js to my backend. This would hopefully yeah, so it is installed, and if you refresh this, we can see all the Node modules installed, including Express.js. So, and now I need a front end. So before that, we'll just quickly create an index.js file, which is the most important file for the backend. Just.js, and oops, should be inside backend. And we create all our backend application inside this index.js file. So this is sort of the main file when Node.js tries to run the application. So we have to plus equals require. We're gonna need Express.js, which is there, and we have to create an application instance, which is basically Express. And yeah, so using this app, we can get access to all the important functions. So in that we have get, and this was it. This no, this no. When we have this get function, which is pretty important to create different routes. So here we have request and response, and from that we create a JavaScript arrow function, which is just a function inside another function's parameter of another function. So here I can have response dot body not send, and hello from backend. Okay, so and we need a port that this app is going to listen on. So let's define that port equals 3001, because I'm going to use port 3000 for front end. And what we just have to do is use app.listen on this port that we defined earlier, and then we are going to, once we started listening on that port, we are going to log to the console that we in fact listening on local http local host and port 3001. So let's just try to run this and then start. Oh yeah, I'm missing this. So we have to include the start script in JSON file, so which will be node and that's .js. Try to run this. Yep. Now if you quickly go to this page and it says hello from the backend, so the backend is listening on this port and this URL. We have a working backend which does nothing, so we just get out of that. Now I want a front end, so we started working on the backend, and let me just clear this up. And to create a front end for technology stack, we could just say npx create react app and this will create a front end folder and all the dependencies, and it will add all the dependencies that needed by React to create a front end application. So we'll just wait for it to do its thing. Yeah. This is React, which is basically a GUI, sort of a GUI library, but it helps to create better and easier user interfaces. And then we have React Native, which is variant of React, which helps us to create cross-platform applications using React syntax. And then the similar sort of a GUI library framework is Angular, which is really popular as well. And then we have Express, which is used to create web applications for the Internet of Things applications, so websites. Express is usually useful for various kind of web applications. So that, and let's see if React has installed. So the React frontend has been installed. So if we quickly refresh this browser and go to frontend, you can see there's a range of folders have been created, which is the source folder and the public folder. Inside the source folder, we have most of our GUI for the front end, and inside the public folder we have our icon files and static files and everything. Mostly we use public folder to host static files. So get rid of this, and we will quickly run our React front end and start the front end and to start our React front end. So should start that and create React has started now, and we can go to this page. So here you can see create React app, which is in port 3000. So this is a front end for the application. Let me put here. Alright, it's already running. And this will be our backend. So it's a pretty big. It's just a server. It's just a NodeJS server. So we will get into React applications in our next coming up videos. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Have a good day. Bye.